if you want to do something, just do it. Don't care about the outcome. Don't care. People who are there with you will understand the steps you have taken so far. आपने जो भी steps उठाए हैं, आपने अपने लिए उठाए हैं. You know, third person क्या कहेगा is a very old stuff
Yeah.
now. It's up to you if you do it. So try asking yourself that question.
Hey guys, this is Avi Arya, father of 2 girls, 6 dogs, husband to a superwoman, a street car racer turned hotelier, now social media marketer and founder of Internet Moguls. Welcome to my channel.
Today we have a special guest who's going to be talking to us about his journey, and then we can take some Q&A from all of you people as well. Uh, can we please give a big Internet Moguls welcome to Ankit in the comment box? We can say a big welcome, Ankit.
Hey guys, thank you so much. Thank you so much, Avi. Thank you so much for welcoming me on this platform of yours. I know how much efforts and how much hard work is put in to build something like what you have created, especially for the entrepreneurs around the world. So thank you so much. It's an honor to be here.
The honor is all ours, my dear friend, and so is the pleasure. Ankit, tell us. I always say the shortest distance between two human hearts is always a story. You tell a perfect stranger a good story and you win a heart for life. आप हमें सबसे पहले अपनी स्टोरी बताइए.
I come from a town, Delhi. I come from Delhi. My mom and dad, they've been into service industry throughout their life, and I always wanted to become a video gamer. So,
अच्छा.
I remember when I was three, in the third standard, my dad brought me this cassette media player, wherein we used to play Mario and Battle City, some tank games.
Yeah.
And that what fascinated like me, I was like so crazy about that because I always had a feeling that I can do much more in the life.
Yeah.
And eventually you are always bounded by your what I would say community. You're always bounded by the relationships, always bounded by of things you should do and you should not. uh, Video game was one thing which set me free. I can kill anyone I want. I can drive the way I want. I can be a superstar in there. And that's how the reason I'm telling you this is that's how my creative journey started.
Sure.
uh, I started living in my own world, in my own, started building my own empire, wherein I was the ruler of that empire, and I do whatever I want most of the time. But eventually, as you grow up, there is a very fun fact, and most of the people will agree to it that बेटा 12th कर ले और 12th के बाद सब कुछ ठीक हो जाएगा. That is one of the biggest lie people tell their children these days. Uh, Coming from a service family, once you do 12th, then the race starts to get yourself onto a position where you want to achieve something by earning money at the end of the day.
Right.
Either do the graduation and get into better studies, or you start earning early. So I was the one who started earning early. I started uh, my journey as a into a McDonald's, wherein I was onto serving tables. That was long back in 2006. Most of the time, I don't tell this story to people. I don't know for some reasons, but yeah, I'm open and I'm willing to share that. I think that 9 minutes of mantra work which we did before the video. So, so yeah. Luckily, I was lucky enough that I got an opportunity to work as a game tester. That too for Sony Online Entertainment. It was a company which outsourced game testing to a couple of BPOs. Those were based out in Noida.
Right.
And I was lucky to be a part of that organization wherein I get to do what I really love. And that's where I believe कि अब मुझे यही करना है. I have to continue the gaming. I have to continue what I love because then you start performing even better. If you love something, you keep on doing that, you become better at it. Unfortunately, gaming in 2000, I would say 8 and 9, was not that big of a scenario. altogether. Most of the people, I'm sure most of the people till date don't know what MMORPG is.
Okay.
Actually, that's a massively multiplayer online role-playing games,
Oh,
wherein that was something which was not even introduced in India back in those days. Even today, people are more familiar with that, with the MOBA, that is multiplayer online battle arena, when it comes to PUBG and all those stuff. And yeah, the industry was not there. Wanted to continue, but then I discovered something else in me. I had a fear of writing,
okay.
uh, and I started writing game blogs, wherein videos were not the option. I was not big of a like into YouTube and stuff. I started writing my experience playing some unreleased versions of video games, and I started putting that on a famous community which was known as IndianVideoGamers.com,
Okay.
IVG, famously known as IVG, and I started publishing a couple of articles over there, and that's where there was an agency, OM Logic, uh, and a very
Connaught
famous
Place.
guy. Yeah, it's in Daryaganj now actually. A
Okay.
very famous personality, Kapil Gupta,
Yeah, yeah.
uh, and the team. They I don't know how come they looked out my article onto that uh, portal, and they invited me for an interview. And I was like, heck, social media, why not? Ye bhi kar lenge. And just went in for the interview without any preparation. This is 2010, late 2010. I'm talking about. I was pretty excited. Like, okay, let's see social media. I had my like Facebook account. Uh, Facebook ke alawa, I never heard about anything else. So I was like a Facebook user. All my friends were there. I went for an interview, and they say, "Dude, we do social media marketing." I was like, "What?" I thought आपने social media use करने के लिए बुलाया. I was like, you invited me to use social media. I have a social account. You can use it. I was like, no. This is for the marketing purposes. मैंने कहा, okay. So that they say आप salary कितनी लोगे, the पूरा discussion and everything happened, and finally, yeah, I got the job. Gaming पीछे रह गया, but that's something which always interested me in terms of fun and something creative, which brought me to the level of social, and I become a social media executive at that time. The first account which was given to me was Intel India. Kapil, if you're watching this, I'm sorry to call you. You must be nuts. कि मुझे शुरू में ही, you gave me Intel India, and that was the first account I managed. And I remember there is a very funny incident I would like to share. I remember writing a blog post, the social media post for it, wherein my mentor asked me, "Ki, Ankit, write something interesting on Intel." I know, why not? Do you know which is the biggest animal in the world? And that was the first social media post I created, and that was like trash. No, don't have to go off. Don't have to post it. Keep it with you. This is not how it works, and that's how my training started. With all the funs and mistakes, I kept on doing a couple of mistakes, but I learned a lot. I learned how to use social, especially from the point of view wherein I don't have to market anything, but from the point of view wherein creativity was important.
Right.
I remember there were the Facebook pages. The Facebook never had those business pages, and YouTube was still a single entity. There was Google Plus. Google Plus was launched, and Twitter was there, and with only there were like no videos or no pictures allowed on Twitter at that time. So I found my love on Twitter. I started using Twitter while I was managing Twitter for a couple of business accounts. I started managing my own Twitter, and eventually people started liking my 90 words tweet most of the time, and my Twitter started growing like anything else.
Right.
Facebook was left behind because I was only as a friend on Facebook, but on Twitter I got a platform wherein I can be something. I can keep on sharing my views. I was sure that I tried doing the same on Facebook. What my friend said कि अगर तू रोज 3 या 4 बार पोस्ट करेगा हम तुझे अनफ्रेंड कर देंगे. So I said, okay, let's not do that. And well, I was managing HBO India,
Acha.
second love of my life, movies, which came into existence through HBO India. Salman Khan was the Yatra brand ambassador at that time.
Yeah.
So I was managing Yatra social media account. Eventually, Yatra's couple of hashtags were trended on Twitter by me, and HBO's Superman Returns actually was premiering Superman Returns, and that was trending on Twitter. So that time, trend was a very big chapter altogether, and I was the first one to trend a hashtag on from my agency for these particular accounts. And I remember some Happy Feet was there, and there was a complete campaign
Yes, yes,
wherein
yes.
my brand campaign, Happy Dance, Happy Feet, hashtag was even used by Coke, was used and was trending number one internationally. And that was the biggest proud moment of my life. I'm a very small executive who's sitting in a Delhi's office, that too in a basement at that time, and the hashtag which I created, and I won't say my team created, though the idea was mine. We created was international top trending, and I found my all new love that was social media and movies. I started exploring more and more onto social media.
Excellent.
Got a couple of recommendations from people around the social media is a very small industry, so people know you very well. They know your work and they know how to connect with you on specifically on social. So then people started knowing me by name, and I was really proud. And till this day, I really and if I may want to use your platform to thank Kapil Gupta, for getting me into this industry. Kapil is a gem of a person. He's been a mentor to me. Still date we talk as a friend. I sometimes call him up, though I know he has a busy schedule, but I still love to disturb him lots of times. Without even any work. So
Awesome.
you should never forget your roots. Is what I've learned so far, and there is no harm, or I would say there is no shame in accepting that at one point of time I was a complete rookie in social, and coming to this thing. Yeah, we were saying something.
Great. So, Ankit, tell us. So, you said that you got into this field as a complete
Mhm.
novice, as
Yeah.
a complete rank beginner. And
Mhm.
what are you doing now? What are the big things that you're doing now?
Right now, starting with, I'm one of India's best Hollywood blogger, ranking one on Google.
Yes.
I
Yes. And that's
started.
what we wanted to tell our audiences. You're India's number one Hollywood blogger. See, this community that we are building over here, Ankit, is where I am. My biggest passion comes from telling people आपको जो चीज अच्छी लगती है ना, forget your
Exactly.
degree. ठीक
Right.
है, डिग्री की अपनी जगह है लाइफ में, रखो उसके पास, बट जो आपको अच्छा लगता है उसको लेकर यू कैन क्रिएट अ वेरी 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 सॉलिड बिजनेस. You
You
said you
can.
like to write
Mhm.
and you said you like to talk about movies. अभी कुछ देर पहले की बात है, मैं एग्जांपल दे रहा था सबको अपनी हमारी ऑडियंस में. वी वर सेइंग सम द लेडी हु सेड मुझे कुछ नहीं आता. आई सेड सीरियसली? हाँ, मुझे कुछ नहीं आता, मेरे पास कुछ भी नहीं है सर्टिफिकेट. ऐसे ऐसे कभी हो नहीं सकता. आपको क्या अच्छा लगता है? शी सेड मेरा पैशन है कुकिंग, बट मेरा स्किल है फोटोग्राफी में. सो आई सेड फूड ब्लॉगिंग का बिजनेस बहुत अच्छा है, उसके बारे में बात कर सकते हैं. So there are so many things. We are
Right.
living the 21st century. People are ready. आपने बोला मुझे लिखना अच्छा लगता है, आपने बोला मुझे बॉलीवुड अच्छा लगता है, हॉलीवुड अच्छा लगता है, मूवीज अच्छी लगती है, वीडियो गेम्स अच्छी लगती है, उसको आपने अपना पैशन बना के यू बिकम इंडिया नंबर वन हॉलीवुड ब्लॉगर. सो फॉर ऑल द ऑडियंस मेंबर्स, जो लोग अपने अपने पैशन को लेके कुछ ना कुछ शुरू कर रहे हैं, यहाँ देयर आर 92 पीपल. एक मैं हूं, एक मेरी टीम से भास्कर है, तो देयर एक आप हो, हमारे अलावा 89 लोग हैं. ये जो 89 एंटरप्रेन्योर्स है, इन सब के अंदर कोई ना कोई सपना है, कहीं ना कोई कोई डर भी है. हर सपने के साथ डर, दोनों साथ में पैदा होते हैं. सपना और डर साथ में
Absolutely.
पैदा होते हैं, दोनों साथ में चलते हैं. The dream and fear, both of them are born together, and fear is a constant supporter. Now, वो सपना ये है, क्या मैं कर लूंगा, क्या मेरे से हो जाएगा, क्या मेरे. सो आपने जो चीज अभी करी है, I mean that's very close to my heart, and that's why we want to reach out to you, and thank you for taking the time out. Like
I
movies are
want to
very
add a
close to
point if that's okay.
yeah, Yeah. So movies are very
mhm,
close to my heart.
mhm.
And there was a time, early 2005-7, उस टाइम शायद या जो भी युवा मूवी आई थी, आई मेड
Okay.
70,000 रुपीज. मैंने बेट लगाया था कि युवा अभिषेक की ये मूवी चलेगी. अगर अभिषेक को आप थोड़ा सा स्क्रफी लुक देते हो, थोड़ा सा उसको गुंडा टाइप बनाते हो, और विवेक ओबरॉय के ऊपर मैंने पैसे, सो एक हमने बैटिंग करी थी किस
Okay.
टाइप की मूवी चलेगी, कि तो हमने कहा था ऐसी मूवीज बनाएंगे, ऐसी सॉरी मूवीज के ऊपर प्रिडिक्शन करेंगे. व्हाट आई एम ट्राइंग टू से इज, हर चीज के ऊपर आप कुछ बना सकते हो टुडे. सो
Exactly.
आप ऑडियंस को थोड़ा सा विश्वास दीजिए कि कैसे जो आपको अच्छा लगता है उसी को लेके आप बिजनेस बना सकते हो.
Right, sure. So if that lady is still sitting in the audience, that cooking, हमारी food blogger, future food blogger, I would say now. See, I don't have any degree in terms of blogging, writing, or even in social media, and here I am. Uh, that's something which I am not only me but my family members and my friends are proud about. That
Of course.
despite seeing all the difficulties and everything which I've faced so far, I came onto this platform. So as Avi said, uh, you just have to. There is always a fear, and most of the time, especially for the entrepreneurs, the biggest fear is I put in some money. मैं थोड़ा सा पैसा लगाऊंगा, क्या मुझे उसका वो मिलेगा, कहीं वो डूब तो नहीं जाएगा, और else क्या मैं अच्छा कर पाऊंगा. So the only what I would say, the suggestion from my side is stop. Jillian Musek, ने मुझसे एक दिन कहा था. I met Jillian Musek personally. I know her personally.
Okay.
She is the SEO mom. उसको SEO mom कहते हैं, Jillian Musek
Oh
को.
yes, I met her as well. She's amazing.
Yeah, she's amazing. So I met her back there, and wherein I wanted to get into something, like into videos and content. So I said कि मुझे तो grammatical errors भी काफी है मेरे पास. Like English कोई ऐसे मैंने hi-fi नहीं कर रखी है अपनी. I have so many grammatical errors. So Jillian called me in her room. I met Jillian. She said, "What do you want to do?" And I want to create this video and maybe write a blog about it. A small blog of my experience creating this video. So she said, Ankit, have you seen the Reebok logo? I was like, yeah. What do you say? मैंने कहा, just do it. Sorry, the Nike one, just do it. So that is one thing which Jillian told me, and I'm now, forwarding that information. If you want to do something, just do it. Don't care about the outcome. Don't care. People who are there with you will understand the steps you have taken so far. आपने जो भी steps उठाए हैं, आपने अपने लिए उठाए हैं. Third person क्या कहेगा is a very old stuff
Yeah.
now. It's up to you if you do it. So try asking yourself that question. कि बिटकॉइंस एक टाइम पे सिर्फ 1,000 रुपए के मिल रहे थे फॉर से, एंड आपके दिमाग में आया कि यार चलो बिटकॉइंस खरीद लेते हैं. बट फिर आप कहोगे यार क्या करूंगा, बट 1,000 रुपए की तो थे, बट उस टाइम पे 1,000 रुपए की, आई नो दैट 1,000 रुपए की भी वैल्यू थी. बट अगर आप वो बिटकॉइन खरीद लेते, कहते चल यार लेट इट बी, देखा जाएगा. आई वोंट टेल माई पेरेंट्स. मेरे पेरेंट्स मेरे को चिल्लाएंगे, मेरी गर्लफ्रेंड मेरे को चिल्लाएगी कि ड्यूड तूने 1,000 रुपए वहां पे कर दिए हैं, लेट इट भी, देखा जाएगा. तो इस टाइम पे द बिटकॉइंस इज अप्रोक्सीमेटली 30 lakhs. So
मत
that's
कहो,
how.
बहुत बहुत दर्द होता है.
So that's how the scenario changes. The time changes accordingly. You
Yeah.
don't know. हो सकता है वो 1,000 rupees डूब जाते, but अगर वो 1,000 rupees डूब जाते ना, so you know that you have tried. You've tried and you failed. And मेरी life का biggest mantra है, if you want to fail, you fail fast. आपको कुछ करना है, आप उसे करो. आपको 1 महीने 2 महीने के अंदर पता लग जाएगा कि आपसे नहीं हो रहा. You consider yourself failed and you learn from a mistake, and you jump onto something which you think you can do better. Or with those mistakes, you can amplify on your learnings and then make it better. But don't wait for it. Don't at all wait for it. Don't keep on sitting on an idea. क्योंकि हम लोग 1.3 बिलियन का की कंट्री है. जो आइडिया आपके पास आ रहा है, आई एम श्योर वो 10 लोगों के
हाँ,
पास
हाँ.
और आ रहा है. The
Right.
only thing is the person who will use this mantra as just do it will actually get onto the forward position. Then people who are still thinking कि मेरे पास तो skills नहीं है, मेरे पास तो certification भी नहीं है, should I do it, क्या मेरे पास पैसे नहीं है, मेरे पास पैसे नहीं थे. मैं honestly, मैं जो ऑफिस से लैपटॉप मिलता था, मैं उससे ब्लॉग लिखता था, because I don't have money to buy my own laptop at that time. And during that time, मैंने ऑफिस का लैपटॉप यूज किया. I asked for permission कि क्या मैं लैपटॉप यूज कर लूं for some of my personal work. So people allowed it. It's not
Sure,
very big of a deal. And
sure.
with that laptop, I started writing content. मेरा फर्स्ट ब्लॉग पढ़ोगे आप कहोगे कि ये लड़का कैसे ब्लॉगर बन गया. इंग्लिश की
तो
ऐसी तैसी कर रखी है. बट
मैं उसी बारे में थोड़ा सा और मैं उसी बारे में और बात करना चाहता था. आपने बोला इंग्लिश, वन इज कि इंग्लिश की ऐसी तैसी करी हुई है, दूसरा इज कि स्पेलिंग स्पेलिंग आपने आगे पीछे किया हुआ है. तो उस टाइम आपने कहा, लेकिन आपका एक पैशन था लिखने के ऊपर. किस टॉपिक के ऊपर लिख रहे थे आप?
movies and life. So I wanted to start with my life blogs, wherein मेरा क्या belief है. So Ankit to world has there is a meaning inside the name. That is Ankit. That's me to world. So everything, anything which is my opinion, I'm sharing it with the world. So this is my opinion. I'm sharing with you. So this is Ankit to world.
अर्थ, मार्स टू अर्थ टू मार्स, अंकित टू वर्ल्ड. समझ गया. तो अंकित, द थिंग इज, चलो मुझे इंग्लिश लिखनी नहीं आती, मुझे हिंदी लिखनी नहीं आती, मुझे ये नहीं आता, लेकिन मेरे अंदर एक जुनून है. मुझे मूवीज के बारे में बात करनी है, जो मेरे दिमाग में चल रहा है. मेरे दिमाग में चल रही है बहुत सारी चीजें, और मैं दुनिया को बताना चाहता हूं. एक टाइम हद होती है हर चीज में. आप लोग मेरे को जज करते हो. कोई कहता है इंग्लिश नहीं आती, कोई कहता है बोलना नहीं आता, कोई कहता है रिच फैमिली में पैदा नहीं हुए, कोई कहता है ऐसा नहीं, कोई कहता है वैसा नहीं. लेकिन मेरे दिमाग में इतनी सारी चीजें, समटाइम्स आई फील मैं अंदर से फटने वाला हूं. आई गॉट सो मच हैपनिंग इनसाइड ऑफ मी. या तो मैं कुकिंग के बारे में लिखना चाहता हूं, या मैं मेडिसिन के बारे में लिखना चाहता हूं, या मैं पेरेंटिंग के बारे में लिखना चाहता हूं. और मैं लोगों को देखता हूं लिखते रहते हैं. कुछ लोग मेरे से बहुत अच्छे हैं, कुछ लोग नहीं है, लेकिन उन लोगों ने के पास एक चीज है जो मेरे पास नहीं है. वो है हिम्मत, कि उन्होंने ट्राई किया और आगे बढ़ गए. और मुझे इस बात का डर लगता है कि अगर मैं ट्राई नहीं करूंगा तो मेरी उम्र आज 25, 30, 40, 50, 60 साल हो जाएगी. एक दिन मैं रिग्रेट के साथ रहूंगा. मैं उस रिग्रेट से डरता हूं. मैं वो भी नहीं चाहता, लेकिन फिर भी मेरे से स्टार्ट नहीं होता. मैं स्टार्ट करता हूं, इस बात का इतना बड़ा मुझे फियर है कि मैं स्टार्ट करूंगा तो सबसे बड़ा रोग क्या कहेंगे लोग, रुक जाता. वो डर मुझे रोक देता है. तो आप हमारी ऑडियंस को कुछ बताइए अंकित, कि वो डर से कैसे निकले. एक दो चीजें बताइए, जैसे आपने क्या किया. चलो लिख के पब्लिश कर देता हूँ, एंटर दबा के छोड़ देता हूँ, सुबह देखी जाएगी. क्या किए, कुछ क्रेजी चीजें बताओ हमारे को.
मैं बताऊंगा. डर इज ओके. आप लाइक यू आर नॉट ह्यूमन बीइंग अगर आप डरते नहीं है तो. That is absolutely fine. If you are scared, that is absolutely fine. But at certain point of time, if you care, that's something which stops you. You are scared, don't worry. Everyone is scared. But do you care? You should not care. मुझे पता था, जो मेरा पहला ब्लॉग था, मैंने वो बस जैसे तैसे करके लिख दिया. जो मेरा राइटिंग स्टाइल इज आई थिंक and then I write. So I'm not into the analytics, or I'm not into कि नहीं मुझे पहले ग्रामर ठीक करनी है. जो मेरे दिमाग में आ रहा है मैं बस वो लिखते जा रहा हूँ. उसको दोबारा रीड कर लेता हूँ. And then sometimes I ask couple of my friends who are really trust कि हाँ ये लोग हंसेंगे तो नहीं. I ask them and say, dude एक बार read on कर ले and let me know if this is good to go. तो उन लोगों ने काफी हेल्प करी मेरी. Don't hesitate in asking for help. Don't ever hesitate in asking for help. The only thing which is stopping you is if you care. You have to stop caring. You have to stop caring about people around.
इसका मतलब अंकित, मैं ब्लॉग पोस्ट करके उसको ऐसे करूं, एक स्ट्रैटेजी. आई एम ट्राइंग टू अंडरस्टैंड. कुछ स्ट्रैटेजीज मैं आज के इंटरव्यू से देना चाहता हूं, ताकि हम अपनी ऑडियंस को दे दें. कि पोस्ट करो जो भी बनाना है, उसको चेक मत करो 1 महीना. व्हाट डू यू से? या 1 हफ्ता? अगर मुझे देख के जो एंग्जाइटी होती है ना, लोगों ने क्या बोला, अरे यार 2 घंटे हो गए, व्यूज ही नहीं आए, कमेंट्स ही नहीं आए, छोड़ दो, कल से मत बनाओ. एक इतनी पर्सनल बात हो जाती है कि लोगों ने मेरे को नहीं देखा.
That is a negative branding and that is also good.
That is also good. So what I'm saying is, सबसे बड़ी चीज जो हमारे को रोकती है, oh my God, लोग, I'm not good enough. People don't love me. मेरे को करना ही नहीं चाहिए था. देखो व्यूज नहीं आए. ये सब चीजें हमको डराती है. इतनी पर्सनल चीजें हमको डराती हैं. क्या पता लोगों के पास समय ही नहीं था देखने के लिए, या क्या पता आपने रात को पोस्ट किया. तो 1 हफ्ते तक एक कोई स्ट्रैटेजी बनाए, कि एक अंकित मलिक स्ट्रैटेजी ऑन पोस्टिंग योर ब्लॉग, इवन इफ यू हैव फियर. तो पोस्ट, अगर बहुत डर लग रहा है तो पोस्ट करते चलो, हफ्ते बाद देखेंगे. व्हाट डू यू से?
This is a brilliant idea, which brilliant one. Wherein right now people have that sense कभी एडिंग ऑन टू योर पॉइंट अभी दैट आपने टीवी शोज वगैरह जैसे लोग देखते हैं तो उसमें कभी कभार किसी से ना जगल करते हुए चीजें गिर जाती
Yeah.
हैं एंड पीपल जस्ट टू मोटिवेट देम दे क्लैप फॉर हिम सो
Yeah.
दैट हिज मोटिवेशन हिज व्हाट आई वुड से उसका ना कॉन्फिडेंस ना टूटे और वो दोबारा से पिक करके वो उसको जगल करता है बट डजंट मीन कि कुछ पीछे खड़े हुए लोग अंधेरे जो जिनके ऊपर फ्लैश लाइट नहीं चल रही वो हंस रहे होते वो हंस रहे होते हैं
Right.
but that doesn't mean that if you cannot see them they don't exist you know there are people they're like positive and negative feedbacks are always there आप कुछ भी करोगे पॉजिटिव एंड नेगेटिव इज ऑलवेज देयर जो आपको करना है आप बस करो एंड द स्ट्रेटजी आई वुड से इज इफ यू थिंक अबाउट समथिंग एंड इफ यू थिंक यू आर वेरी क्रिएटिव अगर आप जैसे कुकिंग के लिए आपको लगता है कि चलो यार आज मैगी मसाला नहीं डालते फॉर से आई एम जस्ट टेकिंग एन
Right.
एग्जांपल
Right.
लेट्स नॉट पुट इन मैगी मसाला आज बिरयानी के मसाले से मैगी बना
Lovely.
you know that's a brilliant idea but now you are stopping yourself and you're saying कि यार
लोग क्या कहेंगे, ये जुगलबंदी कहाँ से आ
exactly
गई?
exactly but फिर क्या होगा आप कर दोगे now the point is I'm telling you the reason I was telling you that in India there is approximately 1.3 billion की हमारी जनता है जिसमें
Yeah.
से approximately somewhere around like 50 to 60% people are online and that's huge so
Amazing.
there so the opinions you know मैं कह रहा हूँ 10% या उस 50% का आप 100% लेते हैं मैं कह रहा हूँ उस 80% लोगों को पसंद नहीं आएगा कि यार तुमने मैगी में बिरयानी का मसाला डाल दिया बट देयर आर स्टिल 20% पीपल हु एग्जिस्ट दे माइट लाइक द टेस्ट
यार मैं कह रहा हूँ मेरे को हम लोग बॉलीवुड और मूवीज की बात करते हैं ना अंकित.
थोड़ा सा मेरे साथ
So-
प्रॉब्लम ये है कि आई एम नॉट
हाँ,
इनटू
हाँ.
बॉलीवुड अ लॉट
ओहो, ये तो गड़बड़
so
हो गई.
so yeah I'm a big time I can say I'm a big time शाहरुख खान fan तो शाहरुख खान की मूवीज के बारे में हम लोग बात कर सकते हैं बट नॉट
ओके, नहीं पर शाहरुख खान के पास आने से पहले मैं आपसे एक चीज पूछना चाहता था. आपने ये बताया कि डर के आगे कैसे आप निकले और कैसे आपने लिखना शुरू किया. डजंट मैटर, राइटिंग स्किल्स शुरू में कैसी थी, फ्रेंड से फीडबैक लिया, आपका अपना
Right.
पैशन था तो आप लिखते चले गए. तो ठीक है, डिग्री नहीं थी, डजंट मैटर, बट मूवीज के बारे में लिखना था, आपने लिखा और आप इंडिया के नंबर 1 हॉलीवुड रिपोर्टर. आज की डेट में जब आप ब्लॉगिंग के बारे में सोचते हैं या कोई नई कंटेंट के बारे में सोचते हैं तो ट्रेंडिंग टॉपिक्स, मतलब अगर ट्रेंडिंग टॉपिक के ऊपर अगर मैं कोई चीज लिखूं तो क्या वो एक ऐसा प्लेटफॉर्म है कि वो जहाज ऑलरेडी ऊपर जा रहा है उसके ऊपर मैंने अपना एक आई हैव टेकन अ सीट, मैंने एक ऊपर चढ़ते हुए रॉकेट के ऊपर अपनी सीट ले दी तो मेरा ऑटोमेटिकली ट्रेंड ऊपर चले जाएगा. तो इसके बारे में कुछ बताइए कि ट्रेंडिंग टॉपिक के ऊपर अगर हम वीडियो या ब्लॉग या कुछ कंटेंट लिखे तो वो उसका चांसेस ऊपर जाने का कितना है और वो आप कैसे रिसर्च करते हैं?
Okay, so a very nice topic though, and
Right.
luckily the latest blog on my website is about Friends Reunion, जो
Right.
कि एपिसोड आज आने वाला है बट एक हफ्ते पहले मैं उसको ब्लॉक कर चुका था.
Oh, really?
Yeah. So the point was कि social media is not only for brands. Social media is for people as well.
Hmm.
These days people have forgot how to use social as in for your even business. आप most of the time Google पे जाके अपने business के लिए R&D करते हैं. आप Google पे जाकर you look out for competitors and
Yeah.
what they are doing. But try social for once. For say just for a point of time, go on to social, go on to Twitter and see what's happening. अपने favorite keywords या आपके favorite जैसे for example मेरा favorite show Friends है. तो आप social पे जाइए, use hashtags and instead of posting something about it, hashtags को आप search करिए onto social media platforms. With
Right.
those hashtags, आप उन hashtags से related जितनी भी information है. Now the information comes from two parts. One from people, those who are laymen or regular basis पे use कर रहे हैं. Then comes from the horse's mouth, wherein कोई blogger है या फिर कोई movie reviewer है या फिर प्रोडक्शन हाउस खुद उस इंफॉर्मेशन के बारे में उस हैशटैग को यूज करते हुए पोस्ट कर रहा है ऑन टू द सोशल मीडिया प्लेटफॉर्म.
Right.
Now you-
So Ankit, sorry, मैं आपको थोड़ा सा यहाँ पॉज करूंगा. I
Sure,
just want to simplify it क्योंकि हमारी ऑडियंस में कुछ लोग हैं जो बहुत देर से कर रहे हैं और कुछ लोग ब्रांड न्यू हैं. तो इसलिए मैं उनको
Okay.
सिंप्लीफाई करने के लिए, तो आप कह रहे हो कि गूगल और इधर जाके हम लोग सर्च करते हैं क्या चल रहा है, लेकिन आप सोशल मीडिया की इंस्टाग्राम, ट्विटर, फेसबुक पे भी जाके ट्रेंडिंग टॉपिक्स देख सकते हैं. तो अगर मैं वहां जाके देखता हूँ
Right.
हैशटैग ऑन मेरी इंडस्ट्री के ऊपर जो भी है, हैशटैग ट्रैवल टू पेरिस, हैशटैग वेट लूज टिप्स, hashtags सलमान खान, hashtag
Right.
अंकित मलिक, तो मैं जो भी, तो उसके आसपास के जो भी ट्रेंडिंग टॉपिक्स हो रहे होंगे और जो भी इंफॉर्मेशन आएगी वो मुझे पता लग जाएगी क्या लेटेस्ट चल रहा है, राइट?
Exactly, and that
हाँ
is more authentic way, because you cannot rely on news channels and news websites
हाँ, राइट.
to provide you.
बट
लोग
बट
पहले
एक
बात
बात,
करने स्टार्ट कर देते हैं.
एक बात बताइए हमारी ऑडियंस को यहाँ,
Mhm.
द पीपल हु आर हियर, दे वांट टू नो हाउ डू आई फाइंड, सी, एक तो हो गया आई गो एंड चेक hashtag friends reunion and I got,
Mhm.
but if I don't know what is trending, because हमारी ऑडियंस बहुत सारे लोग ये they want to know this, if I don't know what is trending, how do I find what is trending? Through hashtags.
Okay, so I'm not going to talk about Google or a tool. I can tell you, तो मैं Google का एक sneak preview देता हूँ. There is a very famous, what I would say, trend, Google Trends करके है, which is available to everyone. So you go on Google Trends, you type in any keyword which is coming to your mind, या फिर वहाँ पर आप demographics पे जाकर भी you can look for places जहाँ पर, for example, इंडिया में top 3 या top 5 trending topics कौन से चल रहे हैं, which are the top 5 trending topics, which are the top 5 trending news going on. So Google Trend is like free to use, it's free for everyone, and they can definitely go ahead and use that. Secondly, when it comes to social media, तो सोशल मीडिया के ऊपर ट्विटर के ऊपर देयर इज अ ट्रेंडिंग टैब. आप उस ट्रेंड पे दबाइए, आपको कुछ करने की जरूरत नहीं है. यू कैन सी ऑल द लेटेस्ट ट्रेंड्स which are happening, all the latest trends which are trending on that present day on Twitter. You'll see them. You can change the locations on Twitter, wherein you can choose worldwide, you can choose India, you can choose US, and then Twitter will start showcasing you the trending hashtags for them.
So you are saying go to Google Trends
Mhm.
and I can type for friends reunion and I will see, wow, ये surge of traffic इतना ज्यादा हो गया है
Right.
लास्ट कुछ दिनों में.
Mhm.
एंड कहाँ से आ रहा है वो,
The
कौन
locations,
लोग
demographics.
लोग क्या क्वेश्चन पूछ रहे हैं, all of that I'm able to see. So Google Trends is one, and if I go here and say trending topics, तो ये trending topics आज के आ जाएंगे.
Right.
और अगर मैं इसमें जाके इंडिया टाइप करता हूं
तो वो इंडिया
तो
के ट्रेंडिंग टॉपिक्स दिखा देगा.
इंडिया के ट्रेंडिंग टॉपिक्स ये वाले हैं.
हम्म.
हमारे ट्रेंडिंग टॉपिक्स भी तो सब अमेजिंग है सीरियसली. ओके, सो हाँ, लॉकडाउन है, मतलब कोई पॉजिटिव न्यूज ढूंढ रहा हूं मैं जिसपे हम लोग जी एडवांस्ड. अच्छा, थोड़ा सा एक एग्जांपल दीजिए. जैसे ये आपने देखा, अंकित मलिक गेट्स अप इन द मॉर्निंग और वो कहते हैं यार मेरे को टॉपिक लिखना है. हमारी ऑडियंस को आप
Okay.
थोड़ा सा गाइड कीजिए. वो आ गए द ट्रेंड, देव कम टू ट्रेंड्स, देव कम टू गूगल ट्रेंड्स, दे सी ऑल ऑफ दिस. हाउ शुड दे
Right.
चूज, हाउ शुड दे सी एनी गुड ट्रेंड एंड मेक अ टॉपिक?
So there are like always two ways. Like for example, like you, Abhi Api, you are facing the issues in finding a good topic
Yeah.
when you click on India Trend. So there are
Right.
like two ways. One is you look for a good trending topic which you can relate to, and then start creating content, or else you get yourself into an ideation part. आप ideation पहले start करो and think of particular 1 or 2 or 3 topics जिसमें आपको लगता है कि यार आज इसके बारे में मैं कर सकता हूँ, or I'm in a
Sure.
mood to talk about these 3 particular topics. Now what you can do is, for example, मेरे सामने ये pods और mouse रखे हुए हैं, तो pods and mouse है. Now what I can do is I look for the mouse company and I'll go to the Google Trend. I'll say mouse broken or something, like which is something related to the mouse query, and Google Trend will show me कि इस particular query के कितने searches हैं या फिर उसका ट्रेंड क्या चल रहा है, लोग उस पर्टिकुलर कीवर्ड्स को यूज कितना कर रहे हैं. सो यहाँ पे मैंने एक स्टेप बैक लेकर अपने आप ही एक आइडिया क्रिएट किया. उस आइडियाज के अराउंड आई क्रिएटेड माय ओन कीवर्ड्स और थॉट किया वेदर, बिकॉज कीवर्ड्स कम फ्रॉम गूगल. तो
Yeah.
आप उसी कीवर्ड को क्रिएट करके आप अपने दिमाग में सोचो कि अगर मैं ये चीज पे बात करता हूँ, इफ आई टॉक अबाउट दिस थिंग, आई कैन गो ऑन गूगल एंड लेट मी सी इफ पीपल आर रियली सर्चिंग ऑन टू इट और नॉट.
Lovely.
Then you'll have a backup plan. कि ठीक है, I am thinking about a mouse and I've gone to the Google and people are searching about mouse. So yes, this can be a topic for today. And as we were discussing earlier, if there is already ongoing topic which is already trending in India, and
Yeah,
if that topic somehow relates to you, go ahead.
perfect.
That's fuel the jet कहते हैं उसको, fuel the jet एकदम से and go launch.
Awesome.
So that's how
So
we do that.
guys, आगे बढ़ने से पहले, before I ask Ankit some more interesting questions, uh, are you people enjoying this interview and learning something fantastic today?
Please.
Okay. So tell us, what has been your biggest two takeaways? What are the two things that you've learned and have you had a bulb on moment? Aha, ये चीज अब सीखने को मिली, अब आएगा मजा अपने business में. What are the two things that you've learned that you feel you can implement in your business right away?
Just do it and Google Trends. Wow. Thank you guys. Google Trends.
Okay.
Don't think. That's
Okay.
good. Yeah.
Now we are going to go to the next level and ask Ankit. Ankit,
Mhm.
passion. मेरे को, I've got the confidence that I wanted. I found the passion, and I'm doing it every day. But boss, I need to make money now. Tell us about monetizing now.
Um, okay, now comes the interesting part. So basically, you know, when you say passion, you just stick to your passion. Like coming from my part, you
Yeah.
stick to your passion. Social media and blogging became my passion. Social media became my passion back in 2010, and blogging became my passion very late in 2016 or 2015 or 16. But
Sure.
I wrote a couple of blogs in 2010 as well, and they are available on internet. So yeah, it took some time for me to understand what actually I want to do. Once I was clear, I went straight ahead. Now coming on to the monetization part. Monetization a technical word हो गया है. Now coming on to the earning part, wherein how you can do that. So see, something most of the people, आप लोगों को पता है, जब भी आप blogs या social media के बारे में बात करते हैं, आजकल you can be your own boss.
Yeah.
And the best part is that Facebook, Instagram, I would include Twitch onto that, and Twitter. These people, these platforms has provided you with a ways to earn money, especially
Yeah.
YouTube, wherein they say, "Come, create something interesting, create for us," and you are already following your passion. You are creating that. Now you start aligning yourself in a ways wherein you start aligning brands into it. So for say, just for an example, हम अभी हमारा अभी टॉपिक चल रहा है बड़ी देर से, फूड ब्लॉगिंग चल रहा है,
Yeah.
एंड लकीली मेरा भी एक छोटा सा चैनल है ऑन अ यूट्यूब, which I like. I suppose I told you अभी.
Please tell us. Please give us the link of that channel. I want everybody to follow your channel. Please tell us the link.
Okay, so the channel name is Hungry Tires.
Hungry
Tires.
Tires.
Yeah. So it's HUNGRYTYRES, Hungry Tires. और मैंने just within 6 months, I was lucky enough to gain approximately, दो numbers are छोटे but मैं बड़ा खुश हूँ. मैं खुश हूँ तो again I don't care about anyone else. Within 6 months, I've gained approximately 75,000 views and some
Very nice.
500 subscribers onto my YouTube channel. और जब भी आया
Hungry Tires. अच्छा, ये बात
Hungry
बताइए. Please encourage people. I want people to go and take action in this community. So, what
Mhm.
happened? Why did you make that channel, and why are you happy with 500 subscribers?
See, I अंकित टू वर्ल्ड का एक यूट्यूब चैनल चलाया था, and when I started that journey of Ankit to World, blog was doing very good. But when I came into the YouTube, I failed miserably, and
Yeah.
that's where all the learnings and all the experiences coming from. ऐसा नहीं है कि ये पहला ब्लॉग है. एक मैंने इससे पहले एक ब्लॉग चलाया था, आपने नाम सुना होगा, बस बेकर्स करके था, busbakers.com. That even that domain was stolen from me. एक महीना
अच्छा.
लेट हो गया था उस डोमेन को रिन्यू करने में. वहां पे मैं हॉलीवुड मूवीज के बारे में लकीली लिखता था, बॉलीवुड मूवीज के बारे में, बट आई फेल्ड. आई लॉस्ट दैट वेबसाइट. देन अंकित टू वर्ल्ड के बाद आई क्रिएटेड माय यूट्यूब चैनल ऑन टू अंकित टू वर्ल्ड विद द सेम नेम. आई फेल्ड मिजरेबली. मुझे लगा कि मैं लोगों को अगर बोल के इंफॉर्मेशन बता सकूं व्हाट आई एम ट्राइंग टू राइट, पीपल डिडंट लाइक इट. तो मैंने जल्दी फेल होना सीख लिया. The reason Hungry Tires came into existence is because I became a foodie. I'm a beer lover and a big time foodie. And plus, I have somewhere down, down the line passion for some of the cars. Like मेरा जो partner है in Hungry Tires, he has passion for cars. So मुझे अच्छा लगता है, मैंने कहा हाँ ठीक है, like there's some good
अच्छा,
cars and stuff and all. So
so
now
you are
like,
saying,
we
so you
club
are
the
saying,
idea.
so for the audience, you club the. I thought hungry tires means वो जब आप बहुत सारी बियर और when you eat too much और साइड पे टायर आ जाते हैं ना, तो I
Luckily इतना नहीं है.
नहीं नहीं आपका नहीं
So
है, मैं वैसे कह रहा हूँ. I thought hungry tires was that, but you are saying that hungry tires is because you want to talk about both the subjects, you club both your passions together, and आप दोनों चीजों के बारे में उसमें बात करते
as
हो.
simple as that.
बात कर, so that is what I want to tell all the people in the audience. एक आइडिया अच्छा लगा, you wanted to speak about it, you did some basic research and you went ahead with it, right? 500 subscribers का मतलब है 500 human beings. आप एक कमरे में 500 लोगों को भरने की कोशिश करो and you'll be very happy talking to them all day. इंटरनेट पे हमको लगता है, oh no no, जब तक मिलियन नहीं है तब तक मजा नहीं आएगा. Boss, 500 people right now, there are 96 human beings. I am super excited. Imagine having 96 people in my house sitting together and you're being able to talk to them. What an amazing privilege to have 500 people. Congratulations. I want every single person here to be able to have those first 500 subscribers. So, guys, before we move ahead, please tell us in the comment box what is the thing that your YouTube channel will focus on? What are the two passions that you will focus on? Let's make every moment count, every masterclass count. Let's take some action today. अब मेरा एक देयर वाज दिस कॉलेज फ्रेंड ऑफ माइन, ही वांटेड टू स्टार्ट अ चैनल, बेचारा वो कर नहीं पाया एंड कोविड के टाइम में ही पास्ड अवे, बट ही यूज्ड टू
Oh,
ऑलवेज से
sorry.
he used to always say that he used to like to have beer with his dad in the evening. वो डैड उसके 80 इयर्स के हैं एंड ही वाज 45 और समथिंग. ही यूज्ड टू से कि बियर विद डैड के बारे में मैं बनाऊंगा और रोज रात को कि डैड के साथ बियर पी के क्या बातें होती है. सो
Okay.
एवरी टॉपिक इज इंटरेस्टिंग.
Absolutely.
So guys,
It's very
it's just
simple
make it
topics.
make it interesting. हम लोग इतने बोरिंग टॉपिक्स बनाते हैं. हम हेल्थ के ऊपर बात करूंगा, उसके ऊपर, यार हेल्थ के ऊपर बात करने वाले सब कर रहे हैं. हेल्थ में जस्ट मेक इट इंटरेस्टिंग. बियर एंड टायर, जस्ट टॉक अबाउट जो आपको अच्छा लगता है, जिसके बारे में हमको लगता है दुनिया को क्या अच्छा लगेगा. व्हाट विल द वर्ल्ड लाइक? आई विल मेक अ टॉपिक अराउंड दैट. आई विल मेक इट अराउंड एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप. द वर्ल्ड विल, व्हाई डोंट यू टॉक अबाउट एंटरप्रेन्योर्स फेल्ड 10 failures? नहीं, who wants to listen about failures? Talk about things that nobody is talking about. Talk about crazy ideas. Ankit, some crazy ideas if you can suggest. Over the years, you've written blogs, you've done YouTube, आपने इतना कुछ किया है. Plus, you've consulted other companies. Tell us some few crazy ideas. Give people permission.
Coming back to the money wala part, and that's where the crazy ideas comes in.
Okay, let's go. Let's go there.
Yeah. So as I was discussing before that, there are platforms available. हमसे पहले लोगों के पास platform नहीं था.
Yeah.
If you go for 5 years back or 6 years, even 7 years down the line, there was no platform available wherein you want to create a content and someone's gonna pay you for that.
Sure.
You've got Instagram. Something like as short as reels, from as lengthy as a YouTube video.
Yeah.
You have all the options. Now the idea, the crazy idea stays within your head. आपके पास सारे हथियार हैं. You have all the weapons you require in today's life. So
Yeah.
you consider yourself lucky. You just have to take a leap, take a step forward. The current is here. You just have to utilize that current properly. That's it. Crazy ideas, like it can be as simple as my YouTube channel. मैंने कहा चलो ठीक है, हम लोग रोज बहुत सारे फूड ब्लॉगर्स हैं और बहुत सारे कार ब्लॉगर्स हैं. So how the idea came कि मुझे तो कार का भी पैशन है, मुझे तो फूड का भी पैशन है. Let's combine them. It's nothing unique. It simply became crazy because every time we thought, जब हमने इसके बारे में बैठ के brainstorm किया, and brainstorming is one thing. Please take it down as a learning. That brainstorm, any idea which comes to you, you discuss with people. You discuss it with your friends. You discuss it with people those who are really trustworthy, right? You discuss those brainstorming ideas with them, and हम लोगों ने brainstorm किया. We said, okay, हर वीडियो के अंदर एक नया खाने की डिश और एक नई गाड़ी लेकर आएंगे.
अच्छा, वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग.
तो हर, और हम लोग प्लान ये कर रहे थे कि उस गाड़ी में बैठ के जाएंगे और वो खाना खाएंगे.
Okay.
Now you finding it interesting, but मेरे लिए एक बहुत simple idea था. I
Right.
was thinking यार it's too simple, it's too vague, should we do it? मेरा फ्रेंड कहता अरे करके देखते हैं, नहीं होगा बंद हो जाएगा. We'll get on to something new. उस
That's
चैनल
fine.
को हम लोग किसी और चीज में कर लेंगे. एंड वी स्टार्टेड डूइंग इट. हमारी पहली गाड़ी आई, दूसरी गाड़ी आई, तीसरी गाड़ी आई. हम लोग एक लग्जरी गाड़ी में जाकर समोसे खाने चले गए. Those kind of fun things then started happening that luckily conversation started happening. थोड़ा सा
काफी महंगे
शुरू
समोसे
में
होंगे वो.
नहीं नहीं नहीं, बहुत सस्ते समोसे थे, बट
नहीं,
समोसे नहीं एक्चुअली.
गाड़ी का पेट्रोल और वो सब मिला के.
So they're like then ideas like as simple as that कि मैं एक नॉन वेजिटेरियन, लाइक नॉन वेज ज्यादा पसंद करता हूँ. माय पार्टनर लव्स वेज. तो हम लोग रेस्टोरेंट में बैठे हुए थे, वो वेटर आता है, वेटर आके कहता है कि सर यहाँ पे नॉन वेज नहीं मिलता. एंड आई स्टूड अप इन अ रेस्टोरेंट एंड ran like anything else. So that's actually the starting of my video. And those ideas, they keep coming to you. The
Yeah.
only point is आप एक बार निकलो तो सही, you get over there. You go and stand in a field, आपको बैटिंग आ जाएगी. आप एक बार बैट तो उठाओ हाथ में.
Yeah, very
Without
nice.
holding a bat in your hand, you won't be able to bat properly. आप
Very
गलत
nice.
मार दोगे, बट एक बार मारोगे ना, एक शॉट लगेगा ना बैट से, हो सकता है वो बाउंड्री से बाहर चला जाए. वो एक गलत शॉट भी कह रहा हूँ. So there are million of ideas. Only few ideas become a billionaire ideas.
Sure.
And that's how people, how you earn money onto that is you keep doing what you love. You don't leave it in between. बीच में अगर आपको फेलियर भी मिलता है, you don't stop it. You say ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं, let me try once more, let me try once more, let me go ahead. You need to have that confidence. Once you start believing in yourself and your idea, once you stop caring about people, you want to go ahead even more. चलो एक बार और, let's give it one more try. That try, that consistency and that regularity is what Avi would agree to me. YouTube अपने आप ही आपको मार्केट कर देता है अगर आप रेगुलर वीडियोस डालते.
100%.
YouTube कहता है, YouTube loves people those who upload regular content. And that is the reason YouTube के अंदर there is a policy कि एक particular subscribers और particular hours के बाद ही आपको monetization का partner बनाया जाएगा. क्योंकि
Sure.
YouTube देखना चाहता है कि आप उस लेवल तक भी जाना चाहते हैं. कहीं आप 4 या 5 वीडियोस के बाद ही तो नहीं रुक जाओगे.
ठीक बात है.
And there are always guidelines. In Facebook there is a guideline. आपको अगर Facebook का जो गेमिंग प्लेटफॉर्म है, Facebook आपको स्टार्स देता है. So one star, like approximately आप 100 rupees के आप stars खरीदते हो, then you start giving stars or receiving stars. And that's how you start earning money on Facebook. So no one is asking you to go and play game. If you don't like playing games, no one is asking you to go and play game. आप एक काम कर सकते हैं, आप लाइव Facebook लाइव जाओ और आप कुकिंग दिखा दो. आई एम श्योर फेसबुक के ऊपर, और अब तो हमारी मॉम्स एंड हमारी आंटीज भी सारे फेसबुक पर आ गए हैं. तो आई एम श्योर दे वुड लव टू सी द न्यू कुकिंग टेक्निक्स एंड न्यू रेसिपीज, एंड they would love to see how you want to build a computer, or they would love to see how you what are your traveling needs, backpack कैसे करना चाहिए, travel के around क्या होना चाहिए, or they would love to see your knowledge about movies.
Awesome.
And once your platform realizes कि नहीं, this person is dedicated to my platform, this person is uploading regular content, the regularity, the quality is there, you start earning money. You don't have to go to brands, or you don't have to go to individuals. This is the first line wherein the platforms you are working on, which are freely available to you, will start paying you to upload more content. Now when you
Charpas,
get more views,
I wanted
please,
to ask a question जो audience के mind में चल रहा है.
Mhm.
And a lot of people find नहीं, this is very impossible.
Okay.
Easy to make 4-5 lakh rupees a month from YouTube and posting content and becoming a vlogger and all of these things.
See, everything takes time. I would say once you get into that regularity, it's easy. But if you fail, or if you stop in between, it's not.
If I don't
It's as simple as that.
stop and I stay committed and I continue doing whatever it takes, I can make up to 5 lakh rupees just from my content a month.
You can.
Absolutely. That's the confidence I wanted to
You
give to
can.
everybody. There are multiple ways of monetizing your content. You can do it through ads. You can do it through call to action. You can do it through brand deals. You can do it through influencer strategies. Once you have good content, even if it's small, even if it's a small niche, even if it's 5,000, 10,000, because today is the जमाना आ गया माइक्रो इन्फ्लुएंसर्स का. अगर आप एक
Exactly.
छोटी सी, like I was talking to a real estate person 2 years ago here in Canada. What happened with that real estate person was he said, I want to grow my business. I said, there's no point getting 100,000 subscribers. You don't need 100,000 subscribers. You need 2,000 people in the 10-kilometer radius to know who you are. How will that happen? The restaurant people over here, the other micro influencers, they need to talk about you. 10 kilometer radius mein you need to be the number one real estate celebrity, and that's it. With 5,000, 2,000, 3,000 followers, with 800 people who really know you, 400 people who comment on every post of yours, aapki to nikal padi, boss. You don't need to
So
become a
adding
million
adding on
subscriber.
to a point, and
Yeah.
through your channel, I'm going to give a very initial information. I won't
Okay.
tell about the numbers. I'll be like shoo onto that. But I kept on blogging. I kept on writing about Hollywood movies. Now these new platforms, like you were telling me, that smaller businesses and they're
Yeah.
like big brands started coming into the similar industry with the
Sure.
OTT platforms like Netflix, Z5 ho gaya. So one day I got a call from Z5. They said, "Hey Ankit, how about you write about horror and suspense movie onto your blog?" तो मैं 4 साल 3 साल से ब्लॉग्स लिख रहा हूँ. नाउ नेवर लाइक आई वुड से कि पैसे नहीं आ रहे हैं या फिर जो एक सिंपल मोनेटाइजेशन से आ रहा है उससे आ रहा है. बट हियर कम्स अ चांस. Z5, a company like Z5 comes in, drops you a mail onto your personal email ID and says, "Ki, Ankit, please write about horror and suspense onto your platform." And that's where the chance. You say, "Okay, I'm going to do that." मैंने इतनी जो मेहनत करी है, मैंने ये बिल्ड किया है, these are my stats, these are the number of people visiting, or these are the number of people watching, these are the number of people liking, those stats, those real followers, real genuine people
Yeah.
you have gained
Yeah.
through your content. And उन लोगों के लिए ब्रांडिंग के लिए, so to do your branding, I'm going to charge money, because though I can write about it, which I love. So I love writing about horror movies and suspense movies. But now I'm gonna charge you to write something which I love. And they gave me the
Lovely.
money. I wrote a blog about it.
Lovely. Awesome.
So
Guys,
you
can we
know,
all give a big, awesome, well done? Because the journey from working hard and then people calling you and saying, can you do it for money? Time लगता है, but होता है.
there is still a male lying in my. I'm trying to motivate everyone who's there. There is still a male lying. I'm sure you guys are aware of Evil Dead
Oh, yes. Evil Dead 1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3, and उसके बाद वो सारा उन्होंने पूरा ऐसी तैसी कर दी थी उस मूवी की, खत्म
I
कर
know,
दिया था
I know,
उसलिए.
I know.
And there is a season going on, so I'm not getting the name of that the person who's the lead actor in Evil Dead. I have uski PR की team की mail I have in my inbox right now.
Nice, nice.
That person wants to go live and they want in India to to collaborate with me, wherein I can write something about Evil Dead.
Excellent.
Because of
Big,
his
big. That's
series
a
on
big deal.
Netflix. Yeah, and I remember sitting in my dad's lap watching the Evil Death one, and it was scaring the shit out of me. I'm sorry.
I know.
So I
नहीं,
was
नहीं,
like,
I could not sleep. बहुत दिनों तक नींद नहीं आई थी. I know what you're saying.
so that's how your passion brings you money. You keep that money or that figure in your mind. And believe me, जिसने भी 5 लाख पूछा है ना, let me be completely honest and brutally honest to you. 5 lakh is just a starting, buddy.
Yes, yes.
Online marketing is this much. 5 lakh is just a starting.
Exactly. I'm
See
so happy
Mr.
you said
Beast.
that.
Yeah, on YouTube, go see Mr. Beast. See Logan Paul. These are the biggest YouTubers in the world. Logan Paul is now about to get into the MMA fight with one of the famous boxers. And उसने YouTube में अपना नाम इतना कमा लिया कि वो बॉक्सर को चैलेंज कर सकता है. But he started as a simple YouTuber. Look at Mr. Beast. Mr. Beast का content हुआ करता था. He was a fan of what I would say Logan Paul. So Logan Paul का fan था. Mr. Beast ने अपनी सिर्फ वीडियो का आइडिया क्या था, 1 मिनट की वीडियो थी. 1 मिनट में मिस्टर बीस्ट ने 1000 टाइम लोगन पॉल लोगन पॉल लोगन पॉल लोगन पॉल लोगन पॉल बस ये बोला है. बस simple. This is the idea. And today Mr. Beast is double the subscribers of what Logan Paul is.
Yeah.
Logan Paul brought Mr. Beast as a guest. And the kind of money, how much is $1 million?
7.4
Approx.
crores.
7.4 करोड़ मिस्टर बीस्ट अपनी एक वीडियो के अंदर लोगों को गिव अवे देता है.
Yeah.
अगर वो 7.4 करोड़ गिव अवे दे रहा है, यू कैन इमेजिन वो कितना कमा रहा है. द काइंड ऑफ मनी. एंड सो वो ये expand your brain. 5 lakhs.
Awesome.
We'll start with 5 lakhs.
Awesome. I love that. I love that. Awesome. So, guys, thank you, Ankit, for your time. Really appreciate
Thank
it
you
on
so
this
much.
community. For all of you people, we're going to say bye to Ankit and we want to say thank you for his time. Everything from his journey when he said, I didn't understand and I didn't know how to write the spellings, all the way to now he's saying 5 lakh rupees to starting hai, guys. What a beautiful story and what a great encouragement. Can we all say a big internet mogul? Thank you, Ankit, in the comment box.
Thank you so much, Avi. Thank you so much, Internet Mogul. You guys are wonderful. You guys are doing a great job. In terms of information, in terms of your communication, your feedbacks. Thank you so much for everything, and thank you so much for having me over.
Thank you, Ankit. Look forward to
literally over. Thank you so much.
it. Super fun. I'll get in touch with you. I'll talk to you in a few days. Thank you so
Sure,
much.
not a
Bye
problem.
for now.
All right. Bye bye.